Welcome everybody to the VST NSP Tech channel. If you happen to have the S21 Ultra, the excellence version, and hopefully very soon the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus, and you don't have the CSC set to DPD with Germany, or you don't have a German SIM card, which pretty much means that you cannot just open the Samsung members application and just register yourself for the beta, but you still want to try the beta like I did actually, watch this video. I'm gonna explain, guys, what you need to do using this theme here from XDA to download the update, right now only available for the Galaxy S21 Ultra Exynos. Very important, and I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do to sideload it. So what's first is first, just please follow the link down below into the XDA forum, right? You need to download, this is the so-called update. This update is gonna be something like 2.5 gigabytes, so it's not huge, right? But it is almost 3 gigabytes, so 2.5 gigabytes you need to download. And as you can tell, the update is a bin file, right? So it looks really weird, but this is the official update for the One UI 4 Beta 1, which actually is also downloaded by everybody applied to the Samsung members officially, right? So it's an over-the-air update, and you can see this is really the server from which you are getting the update. So that's first thing, right? Another thing is you need to enable the developer settings on your phone, and also connect your phone to your PC, and then use ADB to put your phone into recovery, and then also sideload it. So I'm just going to explain. I am of course already using the One UI beta, right? But that should not be a problem, guys. So once into the settings menu, click about phone, then click the software information, and then you need to hit, I think, 7 times the build number. Once that's done, you're gonna get something called developer options, and that's really how the magic works. So go inside, right, and scroll down a bit. You need to find something called the USB debugging. Right. Next thing, very important, is just get your USB-C cable and connect your phone. I'm just gonna show you guys how you can do this, right? Oops. Once your phone is connected, you need to download ADB, and then you can use ADB to put the phone into recovery and also to sideload the update. Now, a lot of the mistakes that people do, they download the minimal ADB and fastboot, and this for sure, or at least in my case, will get you an error. I was even not able to start flushing or sideloading the ROM. I got the error like read data problem. I was changing USB ports, I was changing cables. It didn't really work with me. So I just strongly encourage you to download the SDK platform tools, right? It's official link from android.com from Google. So I'm going to leave this link down below. You should click download SDK, okay, platform tools. Once you accepted the terms, then the download will be saved. It's actually 11 megabytes, right? And with the platform tools ADB version, I really got it working. So the way it works, you just unzip it somewhere. I have already unzipped the platform tools in a platform tools folder under my downloads, and now you need to open a CMD or a PowerShell. That works quite easy, guys. What you need to do, just hold Shift and then right click with the mouse and select Open PowerShell window. So that's one option, although I do prefer to open the search box and just put command prompt. Then I just manually navigate. Alright, it's in downloads, platform, and then platform tools. Right, once inside, guys, let me just clear the screen. Once inside, just type ADB devices. Now see what happens on the phone. A message should appear on your phone. Allow USB debugging, alright, I will always allow my computer to connect with the phone, so I'm just gonna hit the allow button, okay. Now you see, the first time I did it, my phone was unauthorized. Now of course, after I have allowed the connection and I type ADB devices, I should see something called like, okay, this is the number, this is the device. Now you need to go and enter the recovery. There are several methods, but the easiest one is once you connected your phone to ADB, just put ADB reboot recovery, and now see the magic happening on your phone. Now the phone is going to reboot, and yeah, you're hearing the sounds. The phone is going to reboot into the recovery mode. In the meantime, I've already checked that I've downloaded the update file. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to grab this update file. I'm going to put it here where my platform tools folder is. Now pay attention, guys, because I will rename this file to update.zip, okay? It's very important that you make sure that the file is update.zip and not update.zip.bin, okay? Once you're sure that that's the case, just go back inside, right? And now you see I'm already using the recovery on my phone, so I need to scroll down and just select the option apply update from ADB, okay? Once that's done, click the power button, okay? Once that's done, just put ADB sideload and then put the update.zip. Okay, you see, this didn't really work, so I'm just going to disconnect the phone, connect it again, alright? Now I'm going to just check ADB devices just to make sure that my phone is connected. Okay, and you can just see, guys, now you can just see here the number and you can just see sideload. Okay, now very easy, guys. I need to type ADB sideload and just update zip. Hit the enter, right? And you can now see what is happening on your phone. Okay, your PC is serving the update. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom it, guys, so that you can just see the progress, but this is really what you should see. Okay, I'm just putting it, so I'm gonna zoom this so that you can just see the whole progress of it, and after this you should be all set. Now just pay attention, like I said in the video, I have been using the minimal ADB and it never worked for me. I was even not able to start serving the update. Some users had more success. They were able to start serving the update, which just means start updating the phone, but they got disconnected at 46% or something like this. So I decided to download the platform tools, which also has the ADB, and okay, yeah, it worked. And I'm just in fact doing this like just for you guys. So I have already installed the One UI 4 on my Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now it's very important, the update zip file or the bin file right now in XDA is only available for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but very soon, hopefully, it's going to be there also for the Galaxy S21 and for the Galaxy S21 Plus, because I have a friend using the Galaxy S21 with a German SIM card and a DVD, and he got it over the year, right? So if those guys are able to capture the bin or the update files, probably they'll upload it, and we're gonna have the links there. If you're using a Galaxy S21 with a Snapdragon, just pay attention, guys. It's gonna be a whole other file, and most probably in XDA you're gonna be able to find those update files. So I'm just showing this right now for the Galaxy S21 Ultra Exynos, like the global version, and you can just see I'm already at 33%. So very important, you need to go enable the developer options, then connect your phone to ADB. 100% important is to download the platform tools, and using the ADB from the platform tools, once connected to your phone, make your phone to boot in the recovery. Once you're in the recovery, just try to ADB sideload the update zip. If it doesn't work, just disconnect the phone, connect it again. After you have connected it again, you should be able, guys, to see the ID of your phone, then also with the sideload like this here. This is very, very important, guys. You just see your ID of the phone, and then you see sideload, and then you just type ADB space sideload space update.zip. Now, what are the common mistakes that people do? One common mistake is, of course, using the minimal ADB, which I'm not sure why, but it doesn't really work, at least in my case. The other very, very common mistake is that they did not allow the Windows to show them the full extension of the files, so they just renamed the file to update.zip, but in reality the file is update like this, update.zip.bin, right? So you just need to make sure that you configure your view options from the Explorer to show you all the files. Probably can just show this, guys. I think it goes from here. If you go from view and then you just go to options, all right, then you go to view here. Here, this one, hide extensions for null file types. This should not be enabled, because else you're not going to be able to see the full file names. Alright, guys, I'm going to speed up the video a bit just to show you what happens at the end, but if everything goes smoothly, you should be already having access to the One UI 4 based on Android 12 for the S21 Ultra. Now, bear attention, even if you do so, guys, you still will not get automatically enrolled to the beta version, right? Because the beta version still requires the right region, still requires the right SIM card, and right now the beta is only available in Germany. I think probably also in the UK, in the United States. Yeah, it's a long story there, but if you don't really have the phone in the right region using the right SIM card from this region, then your chances to enter the beta program really are very limited. After you've managed to install the update, guys, your phone is going to reboot. That's pretty normal, like every normal update. And if everything runs smoothly, which I really hope the case is, you are gonna get yourself hands-on to the One UI 4. As you can see, One UI version for Android 12, and if you click on Android 12 several times, you're gonna get this clock. Just make sure to go to 12 a.m. and voila, here it is, guys. This is really the easiest way to sideload the latest One UI for Beta 1. Again, only right now for the S21 Ultra Exynos, but follow the XDA treat, and hopefully very soon other links will appear as well. This is a beta software, please bear that in mind. And if you've liked this video, leave a like down below and also subscribe to the channel, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.